everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay. Now, what's Holly drinking today? Well, today Holly's drinking something kind of different. It's called a Bunny Mary. I think we all know Bloody Marys. This is a Bunny Mary, which means it's made with carrot juice. So, it's kind of an interesting one. So, we'll see if you like it or not. I think it's super yummy because I love carrot juice. So, let's start with the big rocks glass. Lemon wedge. Wet the edge. Of course, dip it in some margarita salt. Okay, we'll set the salt aside. Now, let's go ahead and build our drink. Let's start with some ice. Okay, we're gonna start with our Trust Me vodka. Our good friends here in San Diego are very generous with donating this vodka to us, and we really like it. So we'll go a few ounces of that. Okay. Then a few ounces of freshly squeezed carrot juice. Let's pour that in there, okay. Splash of lemon juice. A splash of honey syrup, and that's just equal parts honey and water. I made it myself. Then, secret ingredient, caper brine. Totally weird. Okay. Let's give it a shake. Okay. Let's get ourselves some ice in our glass. Okay, kind of a big rocks glass. Okay, make sure your shaker's tight. Look at this. Is that like the killer color? It looks so healthy, doesn't it? And then of course, because we gotta be pretty, let's garnish it with a pretty purple carrot. Is that the cutest thing you've ever seen? Now let's taste it. It's really different. It's really yummy. It's just like an orange Bloody Mary. It's wonderful. You got to give it a go. It's easy breezy.